Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for January 28th, 2020. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see the markets rebound today. The Dow finishing higher by 187 points. The S&P 500 finished higher by 32 points, while NASDAQ closing higher by 130 points, and the Russell 2000 making back 14 points today. The bond market showed some weakness, and the yield on the 10-year note finishing up at 1.659%. Crude oil gaining 34 cents or 0.6%, while gold finishing lower, that is, by $8 today. Now, after market close, that much anticipated report from Apple was released. They beat on just about every metric. Their EPS number came in at $4.99 a share compared to $4.55 expected, so a healthy beat there. And revenue came in at $91.8 billion versus $88.5 billion expected. They had a nice day during the regular session, up almost 3%, and after hours right now they're up on another $4.31 or 1.36%. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.